All right, now we're going to start converting from vertex form back to standard form. So again, vertex form is what you're going to see on the left, and standard form is the form on the right. So step one for converting from vertex to standard is either to use the FOIL or box method to multiply out your binomial. Step number 2 will be distribute your A value to what you solved for in step 1. And then step 3 is to combine like terms. So for number 10, we are first going to answer a couple of questions. So it wants to know which way this graph opens. So since my A value is positive, it's going to open up. My H value, remember it's the opposite of what you see, so instead of -2, my H value will be +2. And then my K value is exactly as you see it, as +6. So now we're going to start off with step 1, and I'm going to be using the box method. So I'm going to multiply x minus 2 to x minus 2. X times x is x squared. X times -2 is -2x. X times -2 is -2x. And -2 times -2 is +4. We'll rewrite that to give me x squared minus 2x minus 2x plus 4, and then combine our like terms to get x squared minus 4x plus 4. And remember, step 1 is only dealing with this binomial squared. I'm just expanding that binomial squared. Now we'll move into step 2, where we replace that x minus 2 squared with what we got in our previous step. So we'll have 3 parentheses x squared minus 4x plus 4, and then the plus 6 on the outside from our original equation. And we're going to distribute that 3 to all of the terms in my parentheses. So I'll get 3x squared minus 12x plus 12, and then we'll bring down that plus 6 on the outside. For step 3, all we have to do is combine like terms to get 3x squared minus 12x plus 18. And that will be my final answer. Now we're going to move on to number 11 and do the same method. So step 1 was to use the box method to expand x minus 3 squared. X minus 3, x, and minus 3. In the box, I'll get x squared minus 3x minus 3x plus 9. I'll rewrite it outside of the box and combine my like terms to get x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then I will replace the x minus 3 squared in my original equation with x squared minus 6x plus 9. I kept my GCF out front, and I'm bringing that plus 4 to the end. Now I will distribute that -2 to everything within my parentheses to get -2x squared plus 12x minus 18, and then I'll bring down that plus 4. My last step is to combine my like terms to get my final answer of -2x squared plus 12x minus 14. Okay, the last problem that I'm going to do with you guys is number 12. And we'll start off by doing the box method again. So I'm going to expand the binomial squared, x minus 3 and x minus 3, and fill in the box. That leaves me with x squared minus 6x plus 9. I went ahead and combined these two like terms before I rewrote it. And now I will replace the x minus 3 squared in my original equation to get 5 times x squared minus 6x plus 9. And then I'll bring down my minus 8. I'll distribute that 5 to everything on the inside of the parentheses to get 5x squared minus 30x plus 45 minus 8. And then my last step is to combine like terms to get 5x squared minus 30x plus 45 minus 8, which gives me 37 for my final answer. Pause the video here, flip the page, and try number 13 and 14 on your own. Guys, check number 13 and 14. So for number 13, pause the video here to check your work. And for number 14, pause the video here to check your work.